My lips are a little dry. That's better. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl. It's a girl. Ginger, of course, welcome back. Today's video is one that I have been overthinking for a long time. I'm gonna dive right to the meat. Your girl came out with a self-care box in partnership with ImoNatural for the second year in a row. First of all, second of all, you guys have been asking about this and it's back. Okay, so the reason why I said I've been overthinking this is I went to Miami with my mom back in June, and then I wanted to create some beautiful, dreamy, creative content around the box while I was in Miami. I had to take advantage of the opportunity. So I mailed the box to myself because I didn't want to check in the bag, and it was never delivered. I paid $139, y'all. Fudging FedEx can be trusted. $149 for the package to arrive while I was in Florida. It was held in Memphis or something. Didn't arrive till the day after I left, and I was there for 5 days. Anyways, this self-care box is designed for the busy women in mind that are dealing with stressors like FedEx. This box is for you. If you didn't hear about the box last year, I'm going to give you all the details, so keep on watching, don't you worry. This beautiful box is a collection of hair and skincare essentials. Like I said, perfect for the busy women. It was curated by myself and ImoNatural, and we're both from the Caribbean, so we wanted to bring the Caribbean spice into these products. They all smell amazing. They smell like a tropical vacation. Okay, I wish you could smell this through the screen, because girl, you can smell it from outside the box. So I hear there's like a recession coming and inflation is through the roof. So if you want to save your coins and you don't want to travel, but you want to get the experience of traveling, then get your box, okay? Maybe I'm a little biased, but it's almost like you are transported to a tropical vacation every single time you open it. And my therapist coined a term, intentional showers, and I've been doing them forever. Never really had a name for it, but I don't know about you, but at the end of the day, when I can have this moment for myself where I can wind down, take care of my body, do my skincare, my body care, take a nice long shower, it just relaxes my soul. It makes me feel so much better, and I'm ready to tackle the next day. And this is where this box comes in, because it's something that is so dear to my heart. I want everyone to experience that feeling of just taking a breather. Take a moment for yourself, shut down the door, turn off your phone, open your box, and you have everything that you need for your intentional shower. And no, it doesn't need to take forever, okay? Because that's the thing that we always have in the back of our mind. I don't have time for self-care. I have time for everybody else though, but I don't have time for myself. And everything in this box is designed for someone who doesn't have a lot of time, but really want to take a moment to take care of them, to refuel their cups, because you can't be there for everybody else the way that you want to be if you don't refuel your cup. So without further ado, let me walk you through what's in this box. So when you open your box, the first thing that you'll notice is the scent. I told you, it smells amazing. Close your eyes, it's like a pina colada on the beach. Okay, that's what it is, that's what it's giving. When you open the box, you're gonna get coconut, you're gonna get mango, you're gonna get pineapple, you're gonna get 90-degree weather with a drink in your hand. That's what you're gonna get. And then there's a loofah, so that you can fully experience this box for what it is, because the point is to take care of yourself, take care of your skin. So as you're getting a tropical experience, we want it to be effective. So there's a loofah. Secondly, you will have a handmade soap that smells divine. The name is Love Spell, and I don't know if you are a 90s baby and you went through the Victoria's Secret body spray era that had us all in a chokehold. I don't know if you did, but if you remember the blue Love Spell bottle, you're welcome. This soap is handmade, handcrafted, all natural soap, and it's made with olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. So your skin is going to love this, and it's going to leave you clean without stripping the moisture from your skin. Up next, we we have an exfoliating body scrub, and this scrub is crafted with skin-loving natural oils and butters. It's non-greasy and it's going to melt right into your skin. It's made with avocado oil, sweet almond, and rice bran, which is known to be rich in vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, which has nourishing, moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. This scrub is going to leave your skin smooth and silky. When I tell you it melts right into your skin, girl, you have to try this for yourself. I may be biased, but this may be my favorite product. It's the perfect way to polish all of the stress, all of the negativity, everyone that has something to say about you. Just polish it off at the end of the day with this scrub, okay? And then we have a body cream. Now, you can use this on your hair, you can use this on your body. I don't discriminate, I don't judge. But this is luxury. Just make sure you use it. This is perfect to lock in moisture into the skin, into your heart, into your hair. Wherever you need moisture, you need this. This is a perfect addition to your moisture routine immediately after your shower or your bath. I would highly recommend to use it on damp skin to really lock in the hydration, or hair. It's thick, and a little goes a long way, and you're going to love it because it does not leave you greasy. You know how you can use body butters and they really leave you with that greasy feeling? Well, no, this will absorb perfectly into the skin, leaving you glowy but never greasy. So if you want supple skin, and I may be biased, but this may be my favorite product. Moving on to the body oil, and look how cute is this packaging. Okay, now this oil is perfect for these dry knuckles, the knees, the heel of your foot. I don't want to call anybody out, but if you need it, get it. I love using this, especially on my elbows. I don't know about you, but for some reason my elbows are always so dry. Is it just me? So I really like to spend time giving it a second layer. You don't really have to use the oil all over if you don't want to, unless you really want to go all the way. And why wouldn't you? Why would you rob yourself of the full experience when you can have the full experience? Why would you do that? Anyways, if you are, make sure that you at least use it on your elbows, your knees, under your feet. I find that it really just softens them, especially if you're going to bed. What I like to do is put it all over my foot, put on a sock, let it simmer, and then go to sleep. If you don't like to sleep with socks on, just do it for a couple of hours before you go to bed. Do what works for you, girl. But this oil smells divine. It smells just like a pineapple, but in a sweet, refreshing way. Like you really feel like you have a pina colada in your hands. And just when you thought I was done, I'm not. There is a candle to seal in the deal, to make sure that you really enjoy this moment that you're spending with yourself. We have the perfect candle. This is a coconut and soy wax based candle. It comes in a perfect little white container that will blend seamlessly with your decor. You know, I thought about it all, and the moment you light this candle, the entire room will be full with the aroma. Okay, you can get 40 hours of burn time with this candle. Just the fact that it's open, I can already smell it all around me. It smells so good. It smells like coconut. It's giving you mango. And I know as I keep saying these notes, you guys are like, oh my god, this must be overwhelming. All of the scents were designed to work seamlessly with one another. So they're not gonna clash with each other. They all blend seamlessly, and you're going to have such a great experience. Of course, you can mix and match what you use, when you use it, how you use it. The choice is yours, but you literally have everything that you need to de-stress at the end of every day so that you can show up as your best self the next day. If you're just getting into self-care, but you're not really sure what to get, you feel like you're overwhelmed, then this is perfect because it has a little bit of everything. And you'll realize that self-care doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be a whole flight. I think we really need to redefine what self-care truly is, because a moment to yourself is much more valuable than throwing money at material things, you know? It has to start from within. It has to start with yourself, and taking care of yourself is how you do that. If you want to fall in love with yourself, I will conveniently put a link down below for you to shop to your little heart's content. And don't forget, Christmas is coming up, so you might as well stock up and ship it to a friend or two, mother, sister, mother-in-law. Listen, I'm sure there's a lot of women in your life that could enjoy a box like that. Wait, just make sure you don't ship it via FedEx. And I know what you're wondering. You're probably like, well, what happened to the box, Jen, when you sent it to Florida? Well, I had a friend send the box back to me. It came back damaged, y'all. I was so mad. But it's okay. I don't have fancy Miami B-roll to put into this video, but I don't think I need to. Simplicity sometimes is key. And if you want simple, affordable self-care, check out the link down below. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting myself as well as ImoNatural. They are a Black-owned brand and she creates quality products. I have been talking about her hair creams since the beginning of my YouTube journey. Since like 2013, I've been rocking with her products and they are clean. They are ethically sourced, they are effective, they are luxurious, and that's why I appreciate this partnership so much. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for supporting, and I'll see you in my next one. And don't forget to pick up your box.